14 by 14 solar powered instant gazebo with mesh walls included, model WRT16-4-008. I've had this for a couple weeks now. I did some modifications, and obviously it features the solar style lighting inside. One issue I had was with the sewing stitching. They wrapped it around with a pop rivet, and had to undo that and fix it. No big deal. So here's a remote, and that just twisted up top for the battery control, and you got lighting on all four corners. The stanchion just pops up there and sets into place. Another modification I did was reposition the walls in a different manner than prescribed, but also put some blocks down on the base. So hope this helps you with your buying experience, and have a great summer